How to make 200, 300 or even 500 USD per trade consistently and provide your family. In this video I will show my powerful trading strategy for you, exactly how you open trades at stop losses, and let's cover for a start this first example on APT short, second will be long on APT. Major idea of this trading strategy: we trade only when significant volume appears. What's beauty of crypto market is that we can see where people buy and sell a lot of coins, and that's tools that help us to see it calls a footprint. Example for you like this one, footprint of APT coin. By the way, video about footprint I will add in description, watch in the future. On a footprint of APT I saw at 17,500 that someone sold 438,000 coins. It's insane volume for this coin. If you multiply this amount by price, it is more than $7 million. It's a lot for APT. And what's major idea of our strategy? When significant volume appears, quite often it becomes powerful support or resistance. And if that volume appears in a proper place, we take a trade. Example for you, what I mean by powerful place: it is or key level or powerful volume profile area. Share with me in the comments, do you understand the difference between key level and powerful volume profile area? Example for you of a powerful volume profile area, it is this one. When significant volume built exactly here, this stuff calls volume area. Quite often such volume area works as a powerful support and resistance, but this stuff have big disadvantage: its accuracy. Sometimes, like this one, pay attention, sometimes they bounce beautifully, exactly, sometimes bigger tail, sometimes they do like this fake out. Or even this volume area, pay attention how many times price bounced from it. But accuracy we can get from footprint, because when in a footprint you can see such insane volume plus volume profile, you take a trade. That's why this example short on Friday I took short. In a moment when I took short, of course I shared this trade with our community members. It's exactly here. And here for you feedbacks from our clients, community members, how they made money on this APT trade. Some of them made few hundred USD, some of them made a few thousand USD. It depends on volume scale, because each person has this different account. It's okay, it's normal. By the way, for you, I will add a free PDF about this trading strategy if you would like to read a manual and understand more about this. And after that, have a look, my friend. Price beautifully dropped. I booked 6.7% and APT dropped additional 10%. Main reason why I always try to be thankful, because I know that it's always possible to be better, but still we took good money. I took 1 to 6 risk reward, and I am thankful for that. That was first example. Before I will show you second example, in the description I will add a link to a platform where I analyze such data, and link to exchange where it will be the best to trade to get proper execution. Everything will be in description. Second trade, it was from our community member, wrote to me that again significant volume appeared on APT. At that time I was on my way to office. That's why what I did, I exactly warned my my community members, my people, that this significant volume appeared. Pay attention to this 519k. Price were exactly at this size. Only within 1 hour, pay attention, only within 1 hour, the price rose by 4% on this coin. And of course, our community member booked profit. Some of them booked more, some of them booked less. But still, why this idea were really powerful? Why this stuff it was powerful? Remember I told you that significant volume must be in a proper place. It is a second example, second place. It is at key level. What we like to do, we like when price, for example, like here, do several reloads, reload, and here significant volume appear. Because quite often whales take stop losses of retails before making any rise. And the same happened here. Exactly here significant volume appeared and price makes significant pullback. As you can see, my friends, this stuff is insanely accurate, and at this moment it's so important to watch also this lesson about DOM and footprint to understand this data, because without this data most of us blind, and I just want you to start making money, and with this stuff you definitely will do. Any questions, write in the comments and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Bye.